Let me ask you something. You spent weeks, maybe months building your brand. You came up with the perfect name. You formed your LLC. You even checked your state's business registry and saw that no one else had your name registered. So you're protected, right? Wrong? And this single assumption, this one blind spot, is costing business owners thousands of dollars every single year. Some lose their entire brand identity. Some get hit with cease and desist letters out of nowhere. Some are forced to rebrand from scratch after years of building their reputation. Here's a cold hard truth that nobody tells you when you're filling out that LLC formation paperwork. Your LLC name is not your brand protection. It never was. And if you don't understand the difference right now today, you could be the next business owner sitting across from an attorney, writing a check you never planned to write. I'm gonna break this all down for you. What your LLC name actually does, what it doesn't do, what real brand protection looks like, and exactly what steps you need to take before someone else beats you to it. Let's get into it. The myth. I filed my LLC so I'm protected. When you form an LLC, your state government registers your business name within that state only. That's it. That's the whole protection. It means no other LLC in, say, Texas can file the exact same name in Texas. But the guy in Florida, he can file the exact same name tomorrow. The woman in California, she can do it today. And the business across the street that's been operating under the same name for years as a sole proprietor, they might actually have more claim to that name than you do, even without an LLC. This is the myth that destroys businesses. People go to platforms like Northwest, Zen Business, LegalZoom or Swift Filings. They form their LLC in about 10 minutes, they see the name go through and they assume that's the finish line. It's not even the starting line of brand protection. Your LLC formation is a legal structure for your business. It protects your personal assets from business liability. That's valuable, absolutely, but it does not protect your brand name in the marketplace. Think of it this way, your LLC name is filed in a business registry. Your brand lives in the real world, on Google, on social media, in your customers' minds. Those are two completely different places with two completely different sets of rules. The $10,000 mistake. Real scenarios. Let me paint you a picture of how this plays out. You build your brand over 2 years, you've got a logo, a website, a following, you're running paid ads, you're building an email list, you've got merchandise, and then one day, completely out of nowhere, you get a letter. A competitor who federally trademarked their name first has sent you a cease and desist. They don't care that you filed your LLC first. Even what they have is a federal trademark registration, and what you have is a state level LLC name that holds almost zero weight in that fight. Now you've got a choice. Fight it in federal court, which can easily cost anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000 or more, or rebrand. Lose your domain, your social media handles, your brand equity, your SEO rankings, and start from zero. Both options are devastating. And here's what makes this even worse. This isn't a rare edge case. The US Patent and Trademark Office receives hundreds of thousands of trademark applications every year. That means the competition for brand names is fierce, and the window for securing yours is always shrinking. The businesses that win are the ones who understand that LLC formation and trademark registration are two separate, equally important steps, not one and done. What actually protects your brand name? So if your LLC name doesn't protect you, what does? A federal trademark. A trademark registered with the US Patent and Trademark Office gives you exclusive rights to use that name in connection with your specific goods or services across the entire country, not just your state, not just your county, nationwide. And once you have it, you have the legal standing to stop other people from using confusingly similar names in your market. You get the little registered trademark symbol. You can sue for damages in federal court, and you get the kind of protection that actually makes your brand an asset, something you can sell, license, or franchise. Now let's talk about what you need to do before you even apply. Step 1. Run a trademark search. Before you invest another dollar into marketing your brand name, you need to search the USPTO's test database. That's the Trademark Electronic Search System. Search your exact name, similar sounds, and similar meanings. This tells you whether someone else already has a claim that could block your application, or worse, come after you later. Step 2. Understand trademark classes. Trademarks are registered by industry category. There are 45 different international classes from clothing to software to legal services. You need to file in the right class or classes for your business. Filing in the wrong one gives you incomplete protection. Step 3. File your application. You can file directly on the USPTO website, or if you want professional guidance, services like Rocket Lawyer and Harbor Compliance can walk you through the trademark filing process. LegalZoom also offers trademark filing services that include attorney reviews. This is one area where getting expert help is genuinely worth it. The timeline and what to expect. Here's something most people don't realize about trademarks. The process takes time. Once you file your application, you are typically looking at 8 to 12 months for the USPTO to fully examine and approve it, sometimes longer. That can feel like forever when you're building a business. But here's the thing, the clock starts from your filing date. The moment you file, you establish what's called a priority date. Even if it takes a year to get approved, your rights are recognized from the day you filed. So the earlier you file, the better your position. And here's a pro tip. If your business isn't quite ready to launch but you've got your name locked in, you can file what's called an intent to use app. This preserves your name while you finish getting your business off the ground. It gives you up to 3 years to start using the mark in commerce while holding your place in line. Platforms like Ink Authority and Taylor Brands offer bundled services where you can get your LLC on and your trademark process started at the same time, which is the smart move if you're just getting started. Quick action checklist. Alright, let me give you a clear action plan. Here's exactly what you need to do. Number 1. Search the USPTO test database for your brand name. Do it today, even if you've been in business for years. Number 2. Search your name on major platforms. Google, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Amazon. If someone else is already using it in your industry, that's a red flag worth investigating. Number 3. Talk to a trademark attorney or use a trusted legal service like Rocket Lawyer, Harbor Compliance, or LegalZoom's trademark services to understand your specific situation before filing. Number 4. File your federal trademark application as soon as possible. Don't wait for your business to be bigger. File now because the protection starts the day you file. Number 5. If you still need to form your LLC and want to do both right, platforms like Zen Business, Northwest, Taylor Brands, and Breeze offer LLC formation services that can get your business entity set up cleanly so you can focus the rest of your energy on locking down your trademark. Here's the bottom line. Forming an LLC is one of the smartest first moves you can make as a business owner, but it is only the first move. Your LLC protects your personal assets. Your trademark protects your brand. You need both, and the longer you wait on the trademark, the more risk you're carrying every single day. If this video opened your eyes to something you hadn't thought about before, do me a favor, share it with another business owner. Someone out there has built a brand they don't even know is unprotected right now. This video might save them from a very expensive lesson. Drop a comment below and tell me, have you trademarked your business name yet, or is this something you're just now looking into? I have read every comment, and if you want to go deeper on LLCs, legal protection, and building a solid business foundation, subscribe and hit that bell icon. I put out new content every week designed to help you build smarter, not harder. I'll see you in the next one.